Hello there. Today I want to show you the new Kiss Magnetic Lash. Everybody's been talking about it and I'm just curious. It's kind of like a tweezer slash scissor, whatever. It holds it and is easier supposedly to put them on. What are magnetic lashes? They are two pieces of strip lashes. One belongs in the top part of the lash and the other one belongs in the bottom part, and they stick together in the form of magnet. How do I apply this? Oh my gosh. It's a big deal. First, they came up and you just have to put them like bloop. That's it. But today, I just got my new Kiss Magnetic Lashes and it brings a very interesting tool. We're gonna be playing with it. This is my first time also, so we're gonna do this together. What the heck is this? So, I haven't tried. Let me be honest, I haven't tried this. I'm gonna be practicing with you. So, let's see what happens. So in the back, there's few instructions. As you can see, step 1. Okay, step 1. Let's see. Rotate the applicator to load the top and bottom magnetic lashes. Rotate the applicator. Oh, so it's something like, oh my god, like this. Okay. Place magnetic lashes along the inner edge of each applicator curve. Okay. Both lashes should curve upwards. Okay. My instructions were in Spanish also, because as I told you, my English is not very good looking. So I got very excited since this tool is very interesting. Oh my god. Okay, so it's supposed to be this way, and then this supposed to be like this. Oh, it's very easy, it's not that hard. You drop them and that's it, they're gonna stick there. Let's do the bottom one. So be careful when you pull the lash of this, because I just pulled some hairs. I messed it up a little bit. There we go. So now, oh, holy cow. My carpet is black. So, okay, but I got it. Let's see. Okay. So both supposed to be upwards. So it's gonna look like this. Like this, both of them. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this way. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is the original position. Okay. Step 3. Place applicator so your natural lashes are in between the two magnetic lashes. Press down on applicator to connect the magnetic strip release applicator. Okay, let's do this. Uh-oh. Okay, attempt number 1. I knew it's gonna be a little bit hard. Okay, so as I'm trying to figure this out and understand how does this work. I was working with it like this. It's supposed to be like this, so we have the curve of the eye. And it kind of like, now it makes sense for me. I'm sorry, I'm a dummy with this, so I'm trying to get it right and see if this works, because if it does and I practice and it makes my life easier, I can use lashes every day without doing that whole thing about the glue and all the mess and all the burning in my eyes. So let's see. Here we go again. Okay. Almost. Woo! Almost. Attempt number 6. Almost there, but this corner is giving me a little situation. 7. Attempt number 8. So before you go in, make sure they are aligned there and there. I think that's the problem I'm having. Nope. Okay, now I'm gonna be trying the other side, making sure they are aligned. Let's see. They stick together. Okay, let's try with the other eye. Woo! I got it! After 9 times, I did it. I love it. I love how they look. They have so much volume. I hope they come up with different styles so people have choices. The tool is very useful. I love it. It's just matter of practice. You need to practice. You need to know what angle is better for you to apply it. But this is not, I think it's not curved enough. It could be a little bit more curvy, so you know, in the edges it's just stick better. But let me show you how this one looks. I think it looks fine. This one is a little bit crazy in the end over here, but it's not that bad. This one is perfect. This one is just perfect. Here they are, my new Kiss magnetic lashes. I'm not gonna say they're very easy. You need to just figure it out, practice, play with them, and you will get the easiest way to do it in your eyelashes. I think they have potential, and I hope people give it the opportunity and go in the store, buy it and try it, because I think at the end of the day it's worth it. You're not gonna be dealing with glue. You're not gonna have burning in the eye because of the glue, and they don't feel as heavy as when you glue them on. I love it. It's very, it's a little bit hard, but it's simple. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but just try it. Go to the store. I bought them in Walmart. They cost $11 and some cents. And give it a try. Give it a try. That's what I have to say. Thank you for being here with me. It was a little bit frustrating. I'm not gonna say that it was easy, that I was enjoying it. I didn't. But I love the results. Look at my eyes. They look so pretty. They look perfect. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this review. If you have any comment, any question, just write it down below or just DM me through my Instagram. Bye.